guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hello everyone, this is chapter 66 titled Laughing Stock. Let's start reading. Let's go to the plaza. So ito na yung si Winston na yung pinagtawanan lang siya. Kawawa naman. I hate this episode, but we can't do anything about it. So ito na yung Ape King, diba? You remember the Ape King? I really hate this guy. That's the king of the apes, Wilbert. He's the same species as you. He's also the most intelligent beastman in the city. Well, it's no wonder that apes are the smartest animals. I'm glad I didn't say anything random back when I first met Parker. Winston, thank you for bringing back 5 females. We will hold the banquet for them. Please join us. Ito, no, paano pinoportray na Winston is really scary. But actually, he's not. He's gentle and loving. The new females will pick their males on the first day. Everyone may compete on the stage. Good luck on winning. Mhm. Dali naman kasi mga babae, mga ano din kaya masyado, no? Pabebe yarn. Picky yarn. That's terrible. Those males have already tossed away all feelings for the females themselves. This Fax female and her partner were kidnapped by Scorpion Pharaohs. Her partner was killed and Winston saved her. She will automatically become Winston's partner. Oh, automatic. Okay. But will she agree? Well, napaka-judgmental kasi nito mga babaeng to. Winston's really lucky. She's beautiful. You just said that nobody wants the white tiger, but he has a female now. Just watch. Here comes the first witness of Winston, o diba? Guwapo naman siya, but why are they refusing him? Look at him. See? Ta-da! Here comes Winston. Whoa, my eyes. Didn't they say that males don't transform publicly? Is this tiger pervert or something? And he just walk. Buti na lang din na, ano na siya, no? Reject siya kasi he's really intended for a Ching Ching. May I become your male? He is really intended for Ching Ching and to be An's father. No, don't come closer. Ay, grabe siya. At talagang pinagtawanan ng mga tao. Di pala tao, ng mga beastmen. Forget it then. Oh, that's so sad. Why are they laughing? He's the mighty fighter and they're laughing at him. So sad. But it's a good thing Ching Ching is here, diba? That's so awkward. That female is way too harsh. She totally humiliated him in front of everyone. He's just dead. Well, let's check the next chapter. Hello everyone, this is chapter 67 titled Go Back. Let's start reading. I was right, wasn't I? Even though he's tetramarked, nobody wants him. Seriously? That's because the females here are completely spoiled. If I were to raise a daughter, I definitely won't have her become like them. Tama. What's a daughter? Sabay pa si Parker tsaka si Curtis. A female. I can definitely make sure you give birth to a female. Ang dalawa. Of course, Curtis will, Okay, there's a roar. And what's that for? Okay, I think they'll start the game for males to fight over a female. The game begins. Do you want to give it a try? Hey, I have a female already. Why would I go? A tetra marked feral, sharing a female with the offspring of the leopard king. Ito dito nag-umpisa ang everything eh. Itong sa ape king na to eh. Kainesh ka ha. Ito, nagsapakan na po. And that's so brutal to watch. Jeez, this fight's way too bloody. My stomach churning. It's too violent. Let's go back. Sure. It won't be good if someone on the stage got Ching Ching's eyes. Isa din pala yun sa reason. Ching Ching, should I cook something for you to eat? Babait-baitan. With rice, I only need to eat twice a day. You don't have to cook for me at noon. Oh, twice a day lang kumakain. I'll go cut some more firewood then. Rice again. After Ching Ching started eating rice, her portions are twice as large. Hey, stupid snack, come cut some wood with me. You can forget about spending with Ching Ching alone. He's still looking to get his ass beat. I want to organize the wood we have at home. Curtis, stay and help me. Sorry, Parker. Fine then. Piled up. We already have so much wood. What do we do? What do we do? Oh, she got a bright idea. What that bright idea is that? I know. Okay, let's check the next chapter. What's that idea? Hey everyone, this is chapter 68 titled Given Strength. Let's start reading. Curtis, help me unload some of this wood. Pinail nila tapos unload na naman. Ito si Ching Ching, ano? This take up so much space. If I can use them to make cooking oil, it will make cooking a lot easier. We have a lot of bamboo to store at home, so it's perfect. Yung gagawa siya ng oil, di ba? Why is it tied together so tightly? Whatever, I'll just pull it apart. Parang naano niya dito yung power ni Curtis eh. How many times will you faint until you learn? Hindi naman kasi niya alam na ganun pala, di ba? What? How do you know? Did you have anything to do with it? It's the protection I gave you when we became spouses. However, you fainted because you couldn't withstand my strength. Do all males give their females power when they bond? That's right. A better relationship leads to more energy shared. I was thinking just one punch and it's okay. Does it mean that I can become really strong? You should use such strength very sparingly. It drains you quickly, so it should only activate when you're in mortal danger. Oh, so I'm basically a glass cannon. That's annoying. Oh, the chicken. Ching Ching, I'm back. Oh yeah, she uses the stone. Where are those? I use a grindstone to squeeze oil out of the firewood and store it in bamboo. It'll make cooking a lot easier. Ching Ching, you're way too smart. It's probably because of how much I like to eat. Okay, what happened? Oh, okay. It's Of course, it's Curtis, the possessive Curtis. Hungry? I'll cook some rice. That bastard snake. You don't have to. There's a banquet tonight serving barbecue. We can eat free of charge there. Free of charge. So, free meal for them. We can go too. The Ape King did mention that, but can normal people go too? Of course, single males and females of royal blood can invite any guest they want. And he's a royal blood since he's the son of the Leopard King. However, we'll definitely bump into Rosa there. Si Rosa na naman. He's right. If females could go, then the one who screwed Parker over. Rosa. Don't worry, it's not worth it to get work up over her. Let's go eat. Yep, free meal, they're coming. Alright, we should get going. It's time. Don't follow us. I go wherever Bai goes. Oo nga naman. They're mates. Right, let's check the next chapter. Hello everyone, this is chapter 69 titled Astonishing Beauty. Let's start reading. So are you going to fight again? It's about time. Let's go. He's my partner. Tama. Ert. If you don't want to get kicked out, put your tail away. Nga naman, magpagpakatao ka. Hmm? Go put on some clothes, okay? So, by this action, she's telling that I accepted you as my partner. Alright. Well, they can't do anything about that. They're already mates. And already dead can separate them. I've been using mud as shampoo to wash my hair, and it's getting really dry. It's no wonder that pretty much every female here has short hair. Buti nga may suklay pa siya eh. Braid niya yung hair. Ito yung time na ginaya din siya ni Rosa, di ba? Yep. Rosa is copying her. Di ba? Yan na naman tong Curtis na to. Burles na naman. You're beautiful. Put some clothes on. Let's go, Parker. Still waiting outside. O, di ba? Gandang-ganda sila kang ano. Ching Ching. Your hair is so beautiful. Don't touch it. It's going to get messy. We're leaving. Ba talaga? Iwanan niyo pa si Parker, ha? Wawa naman yung Parker na yun. It's okay, Parker. Let's get the next chapter. Hello everyone, this is chapter 70 titled Puppy. Let's get started. Are there some females who aren't coming? Many are in their Astro cycles. They don't have underwear like you, so is it comfortable for them to go outside? Oh, I get it now. It's no wonder that nobody questioned me even though beastmen are supposed to have a strong sense of smell. What do we have here now? Okay, they're piled up. Oh, the Ape King. Oo nga, di ba? Kasi sobrang talino ng Ape King na to. Siya na yung parang binabow down ng lahat. The rainy season is upon us. It will be foggy when night falls. We will start the bonfire now. Bonfire, meat party, barbecue party. Fruits. Are there orchards in a city? Grown fruits don't taste very good. The ones for tonight were harvested from the wild a while ago. They're the cream of the crop. Wow, cream of the crop. That's because you guys don't know how agriculture works. Doggy? Who's there? Galit siya eh. Why do so many people say that nickname? Oh, so cutie. It's awkward. Who are you talking to? Oh, there was a boy in freshman year who started calling me doggy for some reason. Then the name started to spread around the school. Even my girlfriend started calling me Dump Doggy every time I screwed up. It becomes somewhat of a reflex now every time I hear it. Hmm, I thought someone was calling for me. This dog is so cute. That's not a doggy, it's my brother. Do you like him? We can raise a whole litter of puppies like this. Nope, I heard something different from what I expected. Since you're sensitive to doggy, is that your name? I. Curtis, can you dump down a little? Lumapit pa yung aso. It really does look like you. Galit ngayon si ano niyan. Si Ching Ching. Anyway, that's the end of this chapters. Let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.